Hello, today I'm in Suzuki SX4. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, press cruise button, accelerate to desired speed, and then let the acceleration pedal go. Next, as you can see, the cruise control is enabled. If you want to increase the speed, press the plus button. If you want to decrease it, press the minus button. If you want to reset it to first reached speed, press cancel. Press cruise button to disable cruise control. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.